Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. What I'm going to be demonstrating today is how you fix over bleached knots. And basically what that means is this. When you're bleaching your knots and you accidentally press too hard and the bleach gets on the actual roots of the hair, that's not cute, and I'm going to show you guys how you fix that. You can get some hair dye, like some rinse, or you could use mascara, honestly, like real eyelash mascara, because I've done this before. But this particular brand, I got this from a hair store over here in Germany. And this is actual like hair dye in this little container with an mascara wand. So it worked out pretty great. And you're just going to literally just take it and smooth it on the roots that you press too hard into. A lot of people have requested for me to do a video on this, so I over bleached the knots on purpose just so I can show you guys this process. In case of an emergency, if it does happen, that's how you'll fix it. Now I'm just taking some lace tint, and the lace tint that I use is from Tailored Crowns. I'll put the link down below in my description box, and it's very easy to use. You just literally spray it on your lace, let it dry, or you can blow dry it on heat, and boom, it's your lace color. I'll show you guys, of course, in this video during the install process how well it melts and how well it looks up against my skin. The color that I use is medium brown, and this wig is from RPG Hair. I really love this company, and this is my first time trying a lace front wig from them, and a bob. It's a ready-to-wear bob as well. But yes, I really love this hair company, and I only have one bad thing to say about this particular wig, and I'll show you guys once the time comes. But we're going to be melting this lace without using any ball cap method or any of that. We're not even going to use the cap. The only reason I have the cap down there in the back is because I have my hair braided and the braids are not sewn together. So I'm just trying to keep them up together with one another. But I'm just cutting the back of the lace off. And you're going to take your Gots to Be spray like I demonstrated already and blow dry your edges down. Now that the wig is on, you see how well this looks up against my skin. This is the medium brown lace tint. It works really good. You don't have to use any makeup once you use the lace tint. Now we're going to go ahead and just cut the lace off. I split it down the middle, then I take my eyebrow razor and I cut the rest of the excess lace off. You're going to go, of course, zigzag motions. You're never going to go straight across, because when you go straight across, it leaves a line of demarcation where you can see where the lace stops at. If you're a beginner and to be on the safe side, especially if you're doing this on yourself, I recommend that you take the wig off and cut the lace off like this, because I don't want you to accidentally cut your skin, which can happen if you are not being precautious and if you can't really see that well. I recommend you just take the wig off and cut the lace off as I was just demonstrating. Now we're going to just, as usual, clean your skin off, then apply the Bohol. This is the Bohol Extreme Cream. I'll attach the link down below for that, but the website is thehairdiagram.com, and I'm only going to use one thin layer. Once it turns clear, that's how you know it's okay for you to proceed with putting the wig down. Pay attention to how I'm just laying the lace over the glue. I'm not smushing it in. I'm not being rough with it. I'm just using my nails and the comb to just lightly press the lace down into the glue. Then you're going to go ahead, once it's completely on, you're going to take a very fine tooth comb and start to just comb the lace down into the glue. Then you're going to take your blow dryer on warm and blow dry it and melt that lace down. Now we're going to go ahead and start to form the baby hair. This is what I was saying that I didn't like about the wig, but other than that, it's awesome. I just have a really big head, which is understandable. So when you're ordering your wig, make sure you do your measurements. Make sure you tell this company your measurements so you can get the correct size. In my case, I totally understand, and it really doesn't matter because that side isn't going to be showing. But other than that, I would definitely recommend you guys to order from this company, and that's with any company. Make sure you do your measurements when you're getting a wig, whether it's a custom wig or a full lace wig or a lace front wig. Make sure you know your measurements, and make sure you know the measurements that they sell for certain wigs. Now we're just going to take the mousse. Once again, the mousse that I like to use is AfroG, Nairobi, or Blow Pro Volume. These will not allow your lace to lift up, and if you move quickly and you don't be so rough, your lace will not lift up. These head wraps sell like hotcakes. Get one while they last. I'll attach my link down below where you can purchase one. Once it's dry, you'll know it's dry because it won't be wet anymore, of course. Then you're going to remove the head wrap. Get your blow dryer, blow dry it. Take some oil or oil sheen, spray it on there or rub it on your hair. Take a fine tooth comb and start to comb the baby hair out like you see me doing now. This process is pretty much complete. Now I'm just going to add some water and some oil/oil sheen just to make the curls pop a little bit more. I don't want a drenched, super wet look. I want it to be wet, fluffy, and curly still. So I'm not going to wet it too much, and I'm not going to add too much oil to weigh the hair down. I like big, fluffy, and curly hair, but if the look that you're going for is wet and super drenched, you can go ahead, by all means, wet it as much as you need to and as much as you want to. This hair has not been shedding through this install process. It has not been overly shedding. It's just, very minimal shedding, maybe 2 strands, not clumps and clumps of hair. If your hair is shedding in clumps and clumps of hair, what happened was you either over processed the hair, or it's just a very bad quality of a wig or some hair frontal, whatever it is that you brought. It's just a bad quality. But this hair is really awesome. I can't even count how many times I've done a review for this company, but I love this hair. And y'all should know by now, if I say it, I love it that many times, I really do love it. And I'm completely honest with you guys. I wouldn't even promote anything on my channel that I wouldn't recommend you guys to go and get. You don't have to worry about getting scammed or anything like that. If you do have any issues with any companies that I do promote, please let me know. I'll reach out to them for you and we can get the problem solved. I hope this helped you. Please go and check out that lace tint, because that is going to give you the awesome results that you need when it comes down to installing your lace. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there will be discount codes in my description box. I'll see you guys next time, and thank you so much for the support. Currently at 7 million plus views. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.